Hi guys, I'm Luis.
And I'm Monika.
Welcome to one of the most amazing and hidden places here in Italy,
That's right, located in Sicily, we are today in
Taormina. Our journey to Sicily began with a ferry ride from Calabria to Messina. One of the significant purposes of a road trip through Italy was about to happen. Do you remember our lovely couple Giuseppe and Teresa from our Alaskan vlogs? We visited them this time and not just for a casual visit. We are taking the ferry.
to go to Messina.
Yeah, we're going to Sicily.
Yes, we are.
So we're crossing from Catania to Sicily. Ferry costs 33 euros. Our car is right there. We're on our way to Messina. A year ago, when we were eating in Tracy's, the couple that was with us, Giuseppe and Teresa, they made us an invitation.
Very good friend.
They made an invitation as we're going to their wedding right now. So we're very excited. And I bet you it's going to be an amazing wedding.
Yeah,
we're looking
we
forward
also
to it.
planned our whole vacation like around their wedding day. So yeah, it's very nice.
We're very, very excited.
Very.
As we arrive in the beautiful city of Messina, excitement filled the air. Friends from around the globe gathered excited for the incredible day ahead. This remarkable day was filled with laughter, joy, and tears of happiness. Witnessing the beginning of Giuseppe and Teresa's life together was incredible, especially to us. Their wedding, set against Messina's stunning backdrop, was more than just a celebration. It was a day of love and joy that we always remember as the best wedding we've ever experienced. The joy from the wedding spilled over to the next day as we set off to explore Taormina, a jewel perched on the coast, famous for its stunning views, ancient ruins, and, as we soon discovered, its ability to surprise. We can't see anybody around, but apparently where we're going is quite busy. Monica dressed up for the occasion.
Yeah.
In fact, all the girls that look.
Oh yeah, the dress. Yeah, we all
Yeah, I'm talking about
guys
all
like
of you.
homeless, the girls like queens.
Not really. I'm the only one who looks like a homeless, to be honest. Everybody looks well dressed.
That's because while I was getting ready, he was sleeping.
Speaking of surprises, while capturing the beauty of Taormina for you all, I took a little sidewalk dive. Yes, right into the charming streets of this historical town. Don't worry, the only thing that hurt was my pride, and thankfully, the camera survived to tell the tale.
Like
No, in the camera.
I ran out of air diving.
So my friends are making fun of me because I fell.
Well,
We were not laughing. We didn't know who fell.
So here in Taormina, same as the rest of Italy, the water is clean and drinkable. And it's cold. So Taormina is very famous because it's called the Pearl of the Ionian Sea.
Also, it rests on top of Mount Tauro. Tauro?
Yes.
Does it mean the Taurus?
Correct.
It means the Taurus. I never knew that. It was so interesting.
Yes, that's why it's called Taormina.
Yeah.
And it makes it the most important city for resorts and for vacation here in Sicily. But not only Sicily, also it's one of the most important places in Italy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks
Actually,
amazing.
this place that we are right now, it's very extremely expensive. So like everywhere you go, the prices are like maybe 5 times than the usual prices. So it's like quite an expensive area. And the streets are absolutely fabulous. I'm loving it. It's very pretty out here.
Yes, it is really, really
And
nice.
we're super excited because we're with great friends and we're having like the best time.
Yes,
here.
yes. We came out with our good friends
our
from
crew.
Amor, and we are having an amazing time. Unfortunately, tomorrow, everybody's leaving. So, and even us, we had to go back to Albania.
Don't go there.
All the girls, they just come in to try something. Hello, can I try one?
The pistachio?
Yes, please. Thank you so much. So I got the pistachio. We are in Nino and Friends. They have a chocolate fountain. What I just tasted is so amazing. We need to get one. Wow. Do you like it, Shona?
Good. I'm gonna buy one. One of each. Everyone.
Limoncello is a shot of chocolate inside the liquor.
Grazie. Thank you so much. So this one is with limoncello.
I got one too.
Oh my God.
My mom will love this.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Let's take a mix.
That's amazing. We are weak. We want to buy what we just tried.
Very
So we're getting the one with pistachio. And I'm going to get the one with limoncello.
A small one or a big one?
No, we're going to get the normal one as well. So just to
Medium.
the medium one. So these ones are 11 euros. But look, guys, I promise you the taste is unique. It's so...
You are buying quality, so.
You're buying quality, correct.
Yeah.
Yes, so that's the one I cream. Yeah. Now we're trying the limoncello that we'll take one home. The pistachio is really good. And this is crema di limone. Yeah, we'll take this one. Thank you very much. We got 1, 2 bags. Thank you. This is what I call good marketing. We came here. This is called Nino and Friends. And we got the liquor and the chocolates.
The chocolates were amazing, liquor even better. The cremoncello.
Yes, it was
Yeah?
really good. So the fact that someone is at the entrance giving you the things to try and test samples to try out. Yeah. Yeah, this is because of Giuseppe and Teresa. Teresa, the one who got there first. Sorry,
I bought nothing.
Doña Teresa from now on. So Teresa and Giuseppe were at the beginning of our videos in Alaska.
Oh, here's my ring again. from
Yes,
yesterday.
and guess what? When we were in Alaska eating in Tracy's, yeah, Giuseppe made me the honor and the invitation to come here to join them in the wedding as his best man. And their wedding was yesterday, and it was amazing. Now today we're working here in Taormina. They really spoiled us, and we're feeling very, very honored and very lucky. And look at this, she's a happy bride.
See?
Super happy.
Yes. Like my other half has run away.
Yeah. So if you come to Sicily and if you come around the south of Italy, you will see this face right here, or these two faces. So it's called the history of the Imori. And apparently he was a Muslim, right? And he came to this side of the island, and then she fell in love with him. She used to take care of the plants, right? So they fell in love, they were together, blah, blah, blah. And then he told her that he needs to go back to his wife. So she cut his head and used it as a pot to put the plants. And you see them all over the place. And that's the history they have here. We're going to eat in Pizzeria Villa Zuccar. And this is our lovely table. Our lovely group. Food start coming on the table. Monika got her pizza already.
It's with buffalo, ham, and pistachio cream.
Man, I don't understand why they don't practice.
How's your pizza?
I have no words. My
How's your
is
pizza?
like this. Wait, There's a pizza here.
This is mine. I have to try. So it's falling apart, the cheese. is so good. That, ladies and gentlemen, is Il Museo della Pasta, or La Pasta Museum.
Let's go.
We ate already.
Last day in Sicily. I'm here all alone waiting for Luis. He forgot the camera in the car and he went to get it. He went and got it. He came back upstairs because we're in the parking lot. And guess what? He forgot the card inside, so he couldn't record anything. So yeah, he's downstairs in the 3rd floor. I'm in the 7th floor, so he's going to pick up whatever is required for the camera. It's a beautiful day and a sad day. We're saying goodbye to our friends today. So, but we're gonna do breakfast. We haven't done breakfast yet, and we're just gonna walk around Taormina, which is absolutely beautiful.
You can drive this Lamborghini Huracan for only 170 euros. 50 minutes. Walking through Giuseppe Buccini Piazza.
Remember this road from last night?
Yeah, I remember, I felt there. So lots of tourists are coming to Taormina from around Italy, from outside Italy, and also from the cruise ships. Cruise ships, they stop in Messina and they take the people for excursion here for shopping, for eating, sightseeing.
Sightseeing,
Yeah.
most important.
Yeah, Taormina is very beautiful.
It's gorgeous. I'm in love with it.
Yeah, actually me too. I really like it a lot. A lot. This is Shona. Shona is from Malta. We met Shona. We met Shona at the Giuseppe and Teresa's wedding. It was all her fault, by the way, just to let you know.
And now you're never getting rid of me.
Yeah, and she's from Malta. So Malta is beautiful. So I haven't been there with Monika yet. For sure we will.
But I'll give you the locals' point of view. So you guys have been like to the maybe historical places and stuff, right? But like the little places to drink and like where it's not the touristy. Yeah, I'll give you the exclusive.
You see? So if you come to Malta, look for Shona.
Tour guide.
Yes. This is the highlight of the city when everybody's coming for a shot. Amazing view from here. Check this out.
So we are on the way to try the best granita in Taormina. And we've been walking for quite a while and it's very hot. Oh, look at this!
So we came to Bam Bar, which is the best bar for granita here in Taormina, according to Giuseppe and Teresa. Look at this, look at this. You know, this thing of Sicily reminds me of me, because it has 3 legs. Boom! This is Andrea and Oleg. Andrea and Oleg, they're from Royal Caribbean, but unfortunately we never worked together. So we had the chance to meet them here. And for sure, if we are in the same port, we'll meet them, I'll call them, I'll bother them all the time. From now on, I'll feel so sorry for them. Yes. So we are like United Color of Benetton. No, we have Costa Rican, Italy, England, Malta, Romania, Latvia, Albania. Boom.
He was like, oh, I'm gonna take the big one. Like, nice. And we're just in the background. Sorry. Maybe try it again.
Have you seen a cooler menu? I haven't.
Have you?
No.
No. Have you?
No.
So we made it to the restaurant. We got a table for 8. Well, actually we got 2 tables. They went above and beyond. They got an extra umbrella. Look how beautiful the table. Look, these people here at the start of Italy, they take pride in their lemons. Look at this. Look at it. Look at this.
Me. White chocolate, Nutella with cream.
Right here. Yeah, there you go. This is what real men eat.
Strawberry with Grazie, Gabo. Gesù, Giuseppe Maria. Bellissimo.
So this is the way they eat the granita here in Taormina, in Messina. It was a good option, huh? So you get the brioche,
They're hot.
all right?
They're warm.
That one, and you get the top.
If you give this to
Once you get the top, you dip the top right here in the cream, like this. Yes, dip it, and then it's so good.
That's happy food then.
I'll tell you another story.
Yeah.
If you give this to somebody, that means you love them very much. This is the best part of the granita.
Why you didn't tell me?
Because I'm eating.
Italians eat a very light breakfast, which means not that light. So they like to have maybe a coffee and that's their breakfast. Or, like we just had right now, Granita.
With deep blues, old stories, and the friendliest people ever, Sicily gave us stories to love and share. These stories were about love, falling, and getting back on track, set against the island's timeless beauty. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. This is it for today, and ciao for now.